Welcome to DerivaDEX, a groundbreaking decentralized exchange that's redefining how traders approach derivatives trading in the crypto space. In this video, we'll dive deep into the platform, exploring its key features, user-friendly interface, and what makes it stand out in a crowded marketplace. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. DerivaDEX offers unparalleled security and speed by leveraging a hybrid decentralized model that combines the transparency of blockchain technology with the performance of traditional trading platforms. This model ensures that users retain full custody of their funds while enjoying a seamless trading experience. The exchange supports a variety of derivatives products, making it versatile for traders with different strategies and goals. One of the key highlights is DerivaDEX's user-centric governance model, which allows users to actively participate in the platform's decision-making processes through voting. This unique feature empowers traders, ensuring their needs and suggestions are considered as the platform evolves. Additionally, the platform's use of cutting-edge technology ensures low-latency trades and a robust defense against fraud-running and other malicious activities. Navigating the DerivaDEX interface is a breeze, with intuitive tools for placing trades, managing risk, and analyzing market trends. The platform also integrates with popular wallet solutions, making it easy to connect and start trading immediately. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just entering the world of derivatives, DerivaDEX provides all the tools and resources needed for success. Start exploring DerivaDEX today and elevate your trading experience to new heights. Don't forget to sign up using the link in the description to claim your new user bonus. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful crypto content.